In this video, we would see how to install Docker on Windows. Before installing Docker on Windows, we need to understand Windows Subsystem for Linux. This is also called as WSL. WSL or Windows Subsystem for Linux is a Linux kernel developed by Microsoft. This enables us to run Linux applications directly on Windows without separately configuring the hypervisor. Internally, it uses Hyper-V virtualization platform. We do not need to separately install any hypervisor for running Linux utilities or applications on Windows. So in this video, we will see how to use this WSL feature to install and configure Docker on Windows. Let us start. Let us install Docker now. For that, we have to download Docker. So I have opened a browser and typed Docker Windows download. So now let us go to the URL. Here we have to download Docker Desktop for Windows. Now let us download it. Now Docker Desktop installer is downloaded to my machine. So before installing this, let me check whether WSL is installed or not. For Windows operating systems, for Windows 10 and Windows 11, WSL is installed by default. Let us verify whether it is installed or not. So for that, we can open PowerShell. We can verify whether WSL is installed or not by typing WSL-L. So if it gives a lot of options, that means it is already installed. So by default, we do not need to install for Windows 10 or Windows 11. My laptop is Windows 10, so I will not do any configurations now. So let us directly go to installing Docker Desktop. So for that, we have to double click on it. So now in the configuration, since WSL is already installed in this machine, it has selected use WSL by default. So let us click OK here. So now it will unpack all the files and it will install them. It will take some time to configure all these things. So now the installation is succeeded. Let us close this. Now the installation is completed. Let us open PowerShell and verify the version of the Docker. So Docker -version. So now it is showing the version as 20.10.22. So now we have verified the Docker version. Let us start Docker now. So we have to click on Docker Desktop here. So now we have to accept the service agreement. Generally, Docker Desktop is free for small businesses which have employees fewer than 250. And since we are using for our personal laptop, we can accept this. Now the Docker Desktop is starting. So internally, it will start the Docker daemon. So now the Docker daemon is started. So let me open PowerShell again. Let us run docker info command. So it has given a lot of information here. So it is showing that the storage version is overlay 2. As of now, no containers are running. And 8 CPUs stored in memory, everything it will show here. So by default, it is using the Docker registry, so which is our Docker hub. Now let us download a test image. So I am downloading Hello World image. This will be downloaded from Docker hub. We can verify whether the image is downloaded with Docker images. The image is downloaded and we can run it now. Now I am creating a container out of this image. So now it has created a container and the container is exited after printing hello from Docker. We can verify whether the container is created with Docker ps command. So since it is exited, we have to provide -a. Now we can see the container here. We can also see the images and containers here. The image is hello world. This is the example of container created out of hello world image. So this is about Docker installation in Windows. In this video, we have seen how the Docker is installed in Windows using Docker Desktop, which internally uses WSL2. I hope this video is useful to you. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks a lot for watching.